time for another review, but this time of this 100 calorie dill pickle cashews from June and Gail at the campground. So let's try it. I love cashews. I love cashews, don't I, baby? I love them. So let's see. Here we go. When it first hit my tongue, I was like, oh, hell no. They're different. They're definitely different. Let's try another one. You know, no. No. Don't mess with cashews. You know, if you want to eat cashews and then also eat a dill pickle, okay. But I don't think you should try to blend the two together. I don't. So